Do you know many people are having trouble with one side of their Bose SoundSport headphones not working? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Power on. Make sure your Bose SoundSport headphones are powered on before proceeding. Step 2. Check volume. Check the volume levels on both your headphones and device to ensure they are turned up sufficiently. Step 3. Reconnect Bluetooth. Disconnect and then reconnect the Bluetooth connection to ensure a proper pairing with your device. Step 4. Test other sources. Try playing audio from different sources or devices to identify if the issue is specific to one source. Step 5. Clean earbuds. Inspect and clean the earbuds to remove any obstructions or debris that might be blocking sound. By following these steps, your Bose SoundSport headphones should now work perfectly on both sides. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Bose users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.